Hi all, so to do a quick video about this one. So what it is, this is a spot soldering for batteries that I bought, I think about 2-3 years ago, and actually it came in this nice box. Yeah, all the screws are inside. And the idea was that you press the battery and then you have these two contacts that with spring inside that are doing the soldering spark. However, as you can see, the battery is in very bad situation. You can see all the rust that is outside of the battery. And actually it is not working right now. So what I will need to do is to desolder this giant battery. It's so giant, I can give you the size of it. Yeah, it is 41.5 millimeters, and from top to bottom it is about, let's say, about 111 millimeters. So a very giant battery. What you can see here is a thermistor that measure the temperature of the battery and decide if to stop the machine if it is going too hot. And you can see the giant connections that I need to desolder somehow. This soldering iron cannot do it because it's about 60-70 watt. And in order to remove such a big thermal, it's a thermal mass, you need something, I guess, about 150 watt. And I will use hotter or something. I will try to desolder it. And another interesting thing is to see that there are 3 MOSFET here. The MOSFET are IRFS7430. Each MOSFET can do 240 amp and a pulse of 522 amp. And because there are 3 in parallel, so theoretically it can deliver 1500 amp, which is enormous current. But I don't know how I can find such a cell to replace. If you're familiar and know how to find such a cell, please let me know in the comment. So that's all. Thank you for now and bye.